Hi, amazing people! It's me, Sasa, and for today's video, pag-usapan natin ang mga dapat mong i-consider bago magsimula ng printing o craft business. Kung mahilig ka sa arts at personalized items, perfect to para sa'yo. Pero bago ka pumili ng printer o materials, tanungin mo muna ng maayos. Number 1, target market. Sino bibili ng products mo? Students, teachers, o small business owners? Alamin kung may demand sa area mo para siguradong mabenta ang mga gagawin mo. Number 2, capital and budget. Ilista lahat ng kailangan. Printer, inks, paper, packaging, at workspace. Pwede kang magsimula sa mas madali o maliit muna gaya na stickers o keychains. Number 3, equipment and materials. Pumili ng quality machines at reliable suppliers. Mas mahal man, mas tatagal at mas maganda ang result. Number 4, skills and creativity. Kailangan marunong ka sa design at marunong mag-experiment. Gamitin ang Canva o ibang free design tools para mas maging unique ang outputs mo. Number 5, space or location. Kung home-based ka, siguraduhin maayos at malinis ang workspace. Kung may shop, piliin ang madalas daanan ng tao. Number 6, branding and quality. Gumawa ng simple pero catchy na logo at siguraduhin consistent ang quality ng products mo. Number 7, marketing. Gamitin ang social media. Post mo ang designs, process videos, at satisfied customers. Mas visible ka online, mas malaki ang sales. Number 8, legal requirements. Kung gusto mong maging legit, magparehistro ka sa DTI at kumuha ng business permit. Number 9, pricing. Compute mo lahat. Materials, labor, kuryente, at packaging. Huwag masyadong mura. Siguraduhin may kita pa rin. Number 10, customer service. Maging maayos kausap at on time sa deliveries. Happy customers will always come back. So ayan, amazing people! Bago ka pumasok sa printing of craft business, siguraduhin na handa ka sa skills, budget, at mindset. Plan first, create next, then grow your brand. See you next time! Bye-bye!